What is going on? I'm already on the fucking ground. You can see today we are doing rear tow arms, JBR adjustable rear tow arms, and let me flip the camera around, and a TB lower tow arm brace. So that bar is going to connect via that bolt right there and the other one, so I got to take those out anyway, so I might as well just do a tune-on video. I got these used off of a guy that owns an RS and pretty sure these are the same. I have some camber arms from him as well that I will put on eventually, but we're going to do these today. And he was kind enough to mark what side he took off which one. It don't matter obviously, because they are the same. So, but he just marked which side he took off which. I'm going to put them on that same way. Yeah, so these are a 15. I'm going to take out these two bolts and we'll put in the new ones along with this rear brace. So let's get to it. It is jacked up on both sides. I don't have any more jack stands because the Prelude's taking them, so tires are underneath the car just in case the jacks fail for whatever reason, that the car will fall on the tires and not fall all the way down on me. And yeah, so I got a crescent wrench here too, just in case we need it for anything. Probably for adjusting these is what we'll need it for, and for those nuts right there. But yeah, let's do it, guys. Both sides off. I'm gonna put this one back in. Now, however, you want to make sure that this is the same length as OEM until you get on an alignment machine, then they can fuck with it. But if your toe is fine, don't fuck with it. OEM aren't adjustable. These are rear toe arms. They're adjustable for a reason, so you have more adjustments on the alignment machine, but make it OEM at first and then go from there. Luckily, the guy I bought these off of already had them adjusted to where OEM is. I'm just double and triple checking, and they are pretty much spot on. Yeah, they're dead spot on. So that's exactly where I'm going to keep them. I'm not going to adjust them from there. I'm just going to slap them in. However, the JBR kit came with some spacers that we're going to have to use. And these are right here. So I believe you're going to be using probably two on both sides. These are all the same no matter what. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the extra 4 are for the camber arms for those right there. So you'll need those spacers right there as well. So we're going to install these. We're going to put the spacers on, and also we got to start connecting our TB rear bar. So let's get started. Let's see if I can post y'all up here so y'all can see some of this action. Hopefully y'all can stay right there, chill. Or let me see if I can put y'all like right here. There you go. That's not too bad of a spot. I think y'all can still see what's going on. Yeah. See if I can give you a little bit better adjustment angle so y'all can see. Alright. So I'm gonna put, I'm not really sure which side goes out. I wouldn't think it would matter either, but I'm going to put the wrench side, which is the little thing with the wrench. I'm going to put that out this way. So, let me go ahead and start getting all this set up. Alright, that just threads in. Hopefully I can see that. Not too hard to set up. Just making it hand tight for now. But that's pretty neat. And look at that. Your boy already made a mistake. I have to put that side in here first because it doesn't fit like that. So let me go ahead and take this back out and slide that in there, just like that. Put this all back in place. Now that's resting up in that little cubby hole that needs to go into. What's up, baby? And yeah, there you go. And so now what I'm also going to do is put this through here. I'm going to slide that up, potentially scratching the other side, but oh well, I'm a one-man band today, so normally we'll have like little install days or something, or just to bullshit and have fun, but we're gonna get this shit done. So hopefully I can. That's kind of a pain in the ass right there, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Ooh, okay. So this is gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm gonna turn the camera off on this because I feel like I'm trying a little too hard for this, and I'm gonna get this done. Okay, so I got that in. That was a bit of a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna fucking lie. I'm gonna leave this loose because I'm gonna have to do the other side. If I tighten up this side, then it's gonna be hard to get the other side. So I'm gonna hop over to the other side, get this all in, and then I will start with tightening up the inner, and then I will do the outer, and then I'll take off that sticker, and yeah, this will be ready to put the wheels back on. I don't think I'm gonna put the camber arms on today. I don't know, we might. Man, our camber arms are really thin from the factory. Jesus Christ. But yeah, let me get this other side done real quick. Guys, there we are. JBR and TB are all installed, looking good. About to go for a test drive once my buddy leaves. But yeah, this is looking nice, guys.
All right, guys, it might be kind of a bumpy ride. You're on my phone stand, but I just wanted to do this follow up after about maybe 2-3 weeks now. I've had these tow arms on. They are loud. They are spherical bushings, sometimes can be loud. I believe that these might be out. I don't feel any looseness in them, so that's another reason why I don't believe they're out, but I feel like they might be because of the noise they make under load. And really, like, when I'm street driving, I don't feel it, or I don't hear it. But like, for instance, when I'm going down a really uneven road, or even a dirt road like I travel on for work, it is awful. It just sounds like something's rattling around back there. I've checked, and I know where the sound is coming from. It's the tow arms. I've made sure everything's tight and good, so, and I can't physically move the spherical end link, so I'm thinking it's just under load, they're shifting, and metal, which is a really big thing that happens when you have spherical bushing. So, like I said, day to day on an actual road, I don't mind it, but when I'm going down that dirt road, it drives me crazy, because it just makes me like kind of mad, because I'm like, man, you spend this money, and then you get these noises, and people might think shit's wrong with your car, but it's just modified. But it is what it is. We'll see if I stick around with them. I might end up upgrading the spherical bushings on them, and looking for a little bit of a stiffer or better quality spherical bushing than what JBR offers with them. But I'll leave that all up in the air. I hope this video helps. I also had a comment on my last one saying, or on one of my videos, saying that it was more of a vlog style. It kind of is. I tried to do more how-to videos, but then people complain that my videos are too long, and then if I do it this way, they complain it's a vlog and not a proper how-to. So I'm gonna go back to my old way of actually logging and showing y'all actually how to replace or upgrade these parts. So yeah, guys, like I said, again, I hope this video helps. I'll try to get some corners in here. You really won't be able to see in the car, but the car feels drastically different with that TB bar back there, the upgraded rear end links, and the tow arms. I still need to get an alignment. I replaced my front end link, so hopefully this weekend I'll go for an alignment. If I can film, if that shop will let me film, I will film the alignment process. I always suggest going to an alignment pro. You can get it pretty close in your driveway. I've gotten it pretty close, but to really dial it in and zero it in, you need an alignment machine, guys. So yeah, guys, love y'all. We reached 900 subscribers, which is crazy to me. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I got a lot more content coming, a lot more happening with the Prelude coming in the next few months, hopefully, if everything plans out nice. But yeah, guys, I just want to say thank y'all for 900. Let's hit 1,000 and let's go. I'm getting really excited. I also, if you haven't checked out my TikToks, I do make TikToks. I'm almost at 12,000 followers on TikTok. Don't know how, don't ask me. But yeah, guys, anyway, love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Until next one.